So I'm back at Surrey Rolling Road and I'm going to get my MX-5 dynoed as well as a special other car. So this time this car has now got an intake in it, the proper one I showed you from the other video, which you can see there. I don't know if it's on screen, but good. And so I'm going to be able to see how much horsepower that makes a difference on with a proper cold air intake. Let's find out how much this makes. What's the coincidence that both cars
I didn't even plan that. Oh, that's
really, really good. I'm not putting the lambda back on it then.
Wait, Casper, it has no lambda on it.
No, it doesn't.
Nothing.
No.
And remind me,
straight
this,
piped and cold air intake. EGR valve is missing and the lambda sensor is missing.
and it is a 1.5, no 6, right?
105 horses from factory, so 20 horses more. It's also on 130,000 miles almost, and it's dragged around to shit, so it is impressive.
That is very impressive. The fact that we both have
The same result.
the exact same horsepower is quite concerning.
There's one way to check